Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we are going to making a thumbnail very easily with KineMaster. This is green KineMaster. If you haven't it, please go to Google and search green KineMaster without watermark and download from there. I have already downloaded and I open it. Let's do it. Click on the media browser, then select a background. I select white. You can select as your video or as you need. I select white, then click on the layer and click on media and go to your pictures and I take one photos. That is, I'm going to making a thumbnail of my past video about T9 Bluetooth. Okay, I fix it and again click the layer and click on media and pictures and select another picture here. Okay, and click it. Okay, and again click on the layer and media and click on and click again on photos and go to cropping and crop that image little. Then put it here. Okay, again just I'm cropping that to remove the name remix. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, that is a company name. Okay, that is a logo. Okay, that is our thumbnail. Okay, I just add 3 photos. Okay, first I select background, then I select 3 photos. Okay, now we go to background. That is our background, and I click here and capture and save for frame at playhead. It should be ready. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for new and latest update.